Shubor nakaslem jong unong san hima.
Kasor kar jella hane kasngi kalakhot ikilait ligi district council haka jella. Banya tai sani bha halor ka jing penrekam ya kasi RPC bat kasi PC. Habai keren bat kinong thok khubor hadian ka jing kendu bat umentri rangba haka jing don langki menteri ka sorkar. Uba Titos Khan ulaya thok ba ka sorkar jella kalakhot banya tai sani bha hashwa ban penmana ban penrekam ya ka haka jella. Bat hagani ka jiata ina kalyang kinong yalam ki district council kila panpor baginya kren sanishwa ha ki district council bat ban pha yakarai sha ka sarkar ha ki ni kisngi ki banwan nagalyang udipati CEM ka GHADC habakren chekilat pathai khubor ula ong bagi district council kidang panpor na ka sarkar baginya tai sanishwa batken sapha yakarai sha ka sarkar
Wilayah Ligi EDC, di Chief Executive Member dan Wilayah Ligi District Council, karena kalian bergaruh lawan nikmat dari UTC yang dekamat kebangi keren yang dikasih ke dia ketuka proposal nak kalian ke government, kan keban permi ya ketuka notification, ban extend ya kasih RPC pada CPC, agak state baru kawai. Te kawat agak jengsi sia nak kalian jungi ke council. Ngila ai yang ke proposal ke jungi bangila ai ru yang ke jing persya ke jungi halo ke ban implement dan ban penmi yang ke notification ban penrekam abaro ke ke state te ngila yo ke ni ke call matakasi ke ni ke jing khot ke ni ke sing ban ngila discuss ban ngila deliberate nadu ba almost 1 hour mo ngila discuss ban hadir bangila kham ngam jelio halo ke ni ke jing temu dengan yang sarkar karai ke bakat dulu ke bangi ain dan singkelong bagi naik puar biang ini ke di council baru alai tadi po RC ingin syong bagi legal expert di jungi bagi sawan rap dan kawai pat proposal ya ka gol hoi ke jing temu jo ke sarkar ke di ban suku angni ba ke ban ai board ya kini ki judicial magistrate ki ba ka sarkar kala thum hadin bala secretariat ya ka eksekutif bat ka judiciary eksekutif menshwa ban certificate ani ban khia di judiciary bat ka eksekutif kamu DC lani additional district magistrate udu judicial magistrate tenre hadir bala certificate to segala mi mentagi judicial magistrate baru ki district headquarter bakum ju haki sub divisional level tenre kumbalong mentagi mi kim don board di ki keempat confer ki ya kata power makin trial lagi kes. Dia nak kata daw nak kalian government kakwa ba kini ikut kibala establishment hapo ki district ban kunju di subdivision makin rekam no. Kenapa kan long kajing mentoi nak bantai baik ba. Kai ke bau siam mentau la assure ni kalau ba ki code ki jungi jong ki district code jong ki district council code ni kapor ke bangidon kan num kata kanum dan kanunu kajing kena ya di district council code ki jungi ki bangidon wala ada kadai ki village code wala kadai yang ka additional subordinate code genre habaya keren pat habaya dai bat ka ai ngi sutu ba kanunu kan notification ka bat peni sarkar kalong very sensitive ngi hapat pe penia ha na kata kada ngi kamsum bongo mentarasi bagi ong ban ai por yang ngi humba RCA ini syong dan sahabat MDC baru kena discuss dengan ni dekat bagai legal team ke jungi ban hadir bangila syai minsa ai ke proposal
tiba-tiba aku belum sebarang orang bagi kopi
kini ada lah ke jawab lain ki representative ke wilayah lagi EDC ingin saya kenduk yang lah punggung basisi kamat ke bangi discuss ke dia kata kebangi nak kalian ke jungi persyak nak dua baslang kalau ba ngitin ba hadin balakon penmi ini notification kan kita ingin district council code ke jungi dan rei menta pat haga discussion ke bangi kenduk CM bat ki CM bat ki minister kalau ba ki penstu la batai yang ni ba kanum kita ya ki district council code bagi district council code kin ya ya kam kum bagi Jule baru kata ke di ke ba ki pensengau nak yang ke jongki dan rei kalau ong iwala kan taruh namarkan syong pat haga ni kan notification gilayo ini kan draft notification ban rei ngimpat sogun data kada ong ipan puar biang mengikwa mandaya ngam jelio ya ni ban hadin bala syai bala sutu bakan nom kata ya ki bor jongi ke district council ya kata ni samenjo.
Yes, we are exempted from CRPC and CPC. The tribal case is directly go to the district council courts and not to the normal court, we call it. When the FIR has been filed, the police will register a case. It will go to the PI. Then PI will send this case to the normal court usually. But if tribal case is there and happening with tribal case, the case will transfer to the district council court. If it is extended, then it will have a problem. It will create the problem. The tribal case also can be trial in normal case, in a normal court. So it will affect our tribal people, those who are in remote areas. So now we are trial in the village court. Village court don't have any CRPC or CPC. There is a Laskar and judicial officer there. They should not take any law. They should not take any trial applying CPC and CRPC. That FARA 4 and FARA 5 should be read together of the 6th schedule. This conferment of powers to the judges in district council courts. So for that, before in 1937, there is only a deputy commissioner who holds the power of judiciary and executive and sometimes this legislature also. So now it is separated. Judiciary separated and executive also separated. So in that case, the conferment of power is required to the judges in district council. So this is the point, and this is all about the government is trying to get a suggestion from us.
So the three district councils, they are going to meet again to discuss on this regard?
No, we will not. We have already discussed today with the government, and will send our proposal individually. District council, 3 district council will not sit together. We'll discuss and we'll send a letter to the government. I think some court cases has been happening in High Court, so I am not much know about it, and I think I'm not the person to answer about it. The government is there, and government is requesting our suggestion, so we'll give a suggestion for them. I don't know the exact thing. I don't know the exact case, what has been there. But the government has asked us, and they have given a notification for us today, and we have taken a time, and we'll discuss with our legal team. I'm not also the expert in legal matter, so we'll ask legal team to clarify us, and we'll definitely do the needful.
Any time frame being given?
Time
by
frame
the
means
government?
we asked 48 hours for them, 48 hours, so that we'll go back to Tura and we'll discuss our legal team. It will take a time. So we asked 40 hours. After a long discussion, we could not come to the conclusion since we got the notification by duty itself. So we have asked some more time. 48 hours has been asked by us. Then time has been given. We have discussed for a very long time. For about 1 hour. But we cannot come to the conclusion today. So we'll ask. We have asked this time, and we'll discuss with our legal team, and we'll submit a letter to them, to the government. That's all. Power which we got since the inception of the constitution should not be diluted. We have a village court, district court, and we just applied in the district court the spirit of CRPC and CPC, not the letter. And in the village court, we don't apply the spirit of CRPC and CPC. So that should not be diluted, and we are in the same line with the KHDC and GHDC. This should not be diluted.